And first in line to get the vaccine are medical professionals on front lines. Now, students from UTRGV School of Medicine are eligible to get the Pfizer vaccine. Our Monica Deanda checked in on one of those students to see how she's faring. That story is all new tonight.
We always learn about evidence-based medicine, and I think this is the greatest example of it.
Bhargavi Akineni, a third-year medical student at UTRGV's School of Medicine, received the first dose of the Pfizer vaccine on Wednesday.
The day I did get it, my arm was kind of sore, just like how I feel like I would feel after getting a flu shot. But it went away in less than 24 hours, and, I'm doing perfectly fine, as you can see.
So far, she's had no symptoms and says the decision to get the shot was a no-brainer.
I know when something's new, we kind of have this reluctancy to trust it right away. But it's important to understand that this vaccine by Pfizer, which was FDA approved, it underwent rigorous testing. And that's kind of how we know that it's safe and effective.
Akinene is standing behind the science behind the vaccine and hopes others will too, especially the younger population.
No matter how young or old you are, this virus doesn't really discriminate. I mean, sure, I feel like the incidence of COVID, like a very bad infection, is greater in older people. But in the hospitals, I did see very young people. I mean, some were even as young as 13, who were in a critical care unit or an ICU because they have debilitating neurological conditions or their heart was starting to give up.
She's also hopeful the rest of the community will jump on board, including those with diabetes and obesity, two prevalent health issues here in the Valley that put you at an increased risk of complications if infected by COVID-19. Through her medical journey so far, Akinene says the opportunity to work alongside healthcare professionals throughout the pandemic has only fueled her desire to pursue a career in medicine.
I just got to see that day in and day out, their drive to help people, it just didn't change, Being around that was very inspiring, and it made me realize that this is a very fulfilling career, and I don't think I could see myself doing anything else.
Monica Deanda, Channel 5 News, this weekend.